Did you know that space is actually filled with an eerie silence? But despite the vacuum, there are strange sounds coming from the cosmos that can be heard on Earth. The source of these sounds is the universe's own gravitational waves reverberating through the fabric of space-time itself. It's a phenomenon that occurs when massive celestial bodies like black holes or neutron stars collide or explode, sending shockwaves through the universe. According to scientists, it's due to the way our brains process the unique vibrations of gravitational waves. Essentially, our brains are primed to recognize sound from the world around us, but these cosmic vibrations are unlike anything we've ever experienced before, making them seem alien to our ears. This mind-blowing fact has sparked a new area of research in the field of astrophysics, as scientists try to better understand and interpret the strange sounds coming from space. Who knows what other secrets the universe still holds? So, keep looking up and listening to those strange sounds. You never know what might be out there waiting to be found.